The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam says that علموا أولادكم القرآن وسيعلمهم القرآن كل شيء. Teach your kids the Quran and the Quran will teach them everything.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف حالك؟
وعليكم السلام ورحمة.
كيف حالك مايا؟
It's actually كيف حالك.
Why? Why should I say كيف حالك?
Because you're talking to a female, so you have to remove the fatha with a kasra.
Is he right, Maya?
Yes.
Perfect. كيف حالك مايا؟
أنا بخير والحمد لله وأنت.
Great. أنا بخير والحمد لله. So great guys, you will start the first conversation between you inshallah. Muhammad is going to be Omar and Maya is going to be instead of Ali.
Yay!
Please start the first conversation.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير والحمد لله. وأنت؟ الحمد لله وأنا بخير أيضا. اسمي مايا. ما اسمك؟ اسمي محمد. ما جنسيتك؟
What does it mean, Maya? ما جنسيتك? What does it mean, ya Muhammad?
What is your nationality?
Excellent. The answer is?
أنا بريطانيا.
أنا بريطاني.
وما جنسيتك؟ أنا بريطانيا.
أنا بريطانية. Excellent.
تشرفت بلقائك.
What does it mean, ya Muhammad?
It means nice to meet you.
Maya, can we say تشرفت بلقائك when we talk to you? Can we say, can Muhammad say تشرفت بلقائك when he talking to you?
No, he has to say تشركت في لقائك.
Why we have to put kasra?
Because the females are he and the boys are fataha.
Excellent. تشرفت بلقائك, what does it mean?
What's your nationality?
Muhammad, no. تشرفت بلقائك means...
Oh, where do you live? It means nice to meet you.
It means nice to meet you. MashaAllah. What is the answer, Maya?
وأنا أيضا.
Muhammad, how we can end the conversation? What should you say at the end of conversation?
إلا اللقاء.
What does it mean?
See you later.
And what is the answer, Maya?
مع السلامة. That means goodbye.
That means goodbye. Fascinating. Okay, let's start. We see the first exercise. All of these questions, I want you to take turns to answer it. Who's going to answer the questions?
Me.
Okay, Maya, ask Muhammad questions and gonna answer him.
Okay. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله وأنتِ.
Great. Second question.
ما اسمك؟ اسمي محمد.
Great.
ما جنسيتك؟ أنا بريطاني.
أنا بريطاني.
أنا بريطاني.
Great.
من أين أنت؟ أنا بريطاني.
What does it mean من أين أنت يا محمد?
Where are you from?
If you're gonna ask the questions for female, what things you will change? Ask Maya the questions. Can you ask all of these questions to Maya?
من أين أنت?
Excellent. Ask her the 4 questions.
Okay. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله.
Second
ما اسمك؟ اسمي مايا. ما جنسيتك؟ أنا بريطاني. بريطانيا. من أين أنت؟
أنا من بريطانيا. Great.
أنا بريطانيا.
Let's start the last exercise, the third exercise, number 3, تدريب الثالث. The first question, we get a match. Yeah, Muhammad and Maya. So the first question for you, Muhammad, please, can you answer it? Can you match it?
كيف حالك؟
What is the answer?
الحمد لله بخير. بخير.
Perfect. Okay, what about you? What about
the
second question?
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. What is the
And
answer?
wa alaikum salam.
Fascinating. Go ahead, Muhammad. Next one.
تشرفت بلقائك.
What does it mean?
وأنا أيضا. It means nice to meet you.
وأنا أيضا means?
You too.
Okay, second point. Maya?
إلى اللقاء. That will go with ma. That will go with ma. As-salama.
Excellent. What does it mean, Maya? How's it in the pronunciation?
Goodbye and see you tomorrow.
Excellent.
We'll see you later.
Last one, Muhammad.
ما اسمك؟ اسمي زيد.
Fascinating, mashallah, tabarak ar-Rahman, guys. That's really fascinating. And I want to stop sharing the box. And you're going to ask each other the questions.
If you would like to learn Arabic, recite the Holy Quran, or memorize it, join us and visit our site, rihlatalquraniacademy.com.